Hey guys, this video will show you how to use Bitmoji on your phone. First you have to download the Bitmoji app using the App Store, and you are given a whole lot of options of being able to edit how your Bitmoji looks. You could change the hairstyle, the hair color, the face shape, all of the facial feature shapes. You just have endless possibilities of designing your Bitmoji to look however you want it to look. There's also a wide range of outfits that you are able to use. You can also come up with your own outfit. You can also save it directly to your own closet on here. And then you'll see all of the hundreds of different stickers available for you to use when you have this app downloaded. Now, something that you can do in order to save your Bitmoji to be able to use it on your own Chromebook is finding the sticker or the image that you want and saving it to your drive. So you must have the Google Drive app also on your phone. So once I find one that I like, I'm going to save it to my drive. And when I'm on my Chromebook, I can then go to Insert Image, Upload from Drive, and then I should be able to find that image that I saved to my Drive app on my phone. So this is the way to incorporate using a Bitmoji, since we cannot use the extension on our Chromebooks. But if you do have a phone available and you're able to download the Bitmoji app and the Google Drive app, this is a fairly simple way of getting your Bitmoji, add it to your own portfolio.